What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is something really exciting. We're getting a ride in a BMW E39 and 5 on track at Grattan Raceway. Here we go. Step 5 has a whole list of modifications. Oh, those seats already oh, you slide around.
Get here.
Oh yeah, I can tell the whole car. It's a lot of mass. It's trying to slow down.
We'll do 55 around 1. That's not bad.
No, it handles really well for one.
It does, yeah.
Sounds great.
It does.
Sounds glorious. Do it as well. Starts throwing you around all over the place. Oh, I love it.
Well, we got a break earlier, you know.
Gotta give it a chance to stop this car.
Yes. The brakes yet?
A little bit. The first car was way too much.
Yeah.
Way too far out.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need that extra distance.
Yes. Well, this is about driving at the limits, right?
Yep. You're driving at the limit of the car.
Go under the tires.
Yeah, what tires are on here again?
I got the Continental Extreme Contact Force. Yeah. It's a good tire. out here.
Oh yeah, we're asking to do a lot here. The steering doesn't look too slow on this thing either.
Yeah.
It's slower than the F3s for sure, but it's not terrible at all. I mean, this is really going like two tons of air like this. That's as old as this is. They could do this. Probably kind of the best of that.
You got to get north of 3,000 before they really start feeling the power.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
The driver's seat in the passenger seat totally different. Oh, that was good.
Yeah, I was over 60 in that turn one there.
Yeah, I mean that's pretty much about. Granted, I have less tire on my F3. That's about what I do on my F3.
Yeah. Yeah, it's better to slow down. I think you can get more speed actually coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Coolant's in the middle.
Yeah. Now he's done his job.
Well, I might be tempted to try a new master cylinder in this thing.
Yeah. That's hard. More confidence, you know?
Yeah. Woo.
Now it's not worries.
Yeah. Woo. I wish I could feel him.
He's on the trip.
I used the pedal going through the floor.
Oh yeah. They're on music one.
But you know what, you gotta do this once, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, this is great. I love it. That's probably gonna be one of the last times you take this thing out.
Probably. Hopefully get some good photos. It's probably good.
Oh yeah. How many people say you can track an F5?
This stuff could come over that hill, doesn't it? That feels better.
That was much better. We'll head up there. I can press my nose It's funny, I've been watching your oil times throughout this session, and it kind of just keeps going in a cycle, like a little above 210 and then a little below with that nice stuff.
Yeah. Which is not bad.
No, it's pretty, I think it's pretty good. It's good.
Let me give it a change just for the heck of it before I put it away for the winter.
Yeah.
I'm sure it's fine now. Oh boy.
Yep, not as good as when we started, I assume.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah, we got through it.
This is a great lap or a great session. E39 M5. You don't see these getting tracked that often. We've now discovered why. It was the reason everyone expected. Brake. But you know what? We managed. Treated well. Sounded great.
Yeah.
It's fun. It's still funny how much the car throws you around with the stock seats. I always thought these seats were great, but they're good for what they're made for.
Exactly.
Feels like I've been doing